Hey, this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry. We send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now. Go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video. The Canadian dollar against the Swissy shoots up, and in 1 or 2 days gets us stopped out. Now, we were that close, man. I mean, we're talking about we were up almost 200 pips in profit. And instead of taking our profit, we waited to the last minute to try to squeeze every last pip out of that trade, and we missed it. So here's what I'm going to suggest. You see this range in here? There's a lot more support on that range than there is at the 9100. This line right here is 9120. I'm going to even go higher and say that you would want to go up to 9130. Why? Because our goal is to pull the pips out early. Close this trade at that point. You're, what's that, 170 pips? You know, if you're leveraging 2% of your account balance, your risk to reward ratio, you've got a risk of about 130 pips. You make 170 pips. If you risk 2% of your account balance, you just made about a 3.2% return on your trade. Now listen folks, let me tell you a little bit about making money in compound interest. Anybody who can make 3% a month on their money, solid long term, is going to be very wealthy. And this is, you did this on one trade. So don't be greedy. Take some pips early, and there we go. So that's what we're going to do. That's trade number one. All right, we're going to sell the CAD Swissy at 92.92. All right, let's go to the next chart that I have here. Is the pound dollar. Okay, now one thing I like about the pound dollar, and this currency pair is a little bit more aggressive than some. So if you're brand new, if you're using our signals, wonderful. You can take these pound dollar trades, but if you're trading on your own, you've never traded before, I wouldn't suggest trading this pair. It can move pretty aggressive pretty quick. But you can see, again, currency pair moves 80% of the time in a channel. Okay, so let's start looking at where our simple support and resistance at. You can see in here we have a solid support, right here. See along here, right in this area here. In fact, let me back this prepare out a little bit. Oh, look at here. This is beautiful. What is that line here? That is about 5,700. Seems like a really solid support. Okay, right here, great support. Boom, great support. Resistance, support. It broke through a little bit, but it had a real struggle. See this? How it rejected these pins. Boom, boom, boom. It rejected. Now we are at 58.39. All right, so that is one level of support. And then to get some resistance levels right around in this range here, just back in here, see long term. I want to look at long term, yeah, okay, now long term, you can see that this mark here, which is 5,900, has been a difficult point to break. Boom, boom, right? This is all the way back in early 2000, summer 2011. Fall of 2011, you see that back here in January, and it broke through for a few days and then rejected. So I'm going to look at that. Oops, wrong thing. As a pretty solid support level. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to take two pairs. Now, again, these currency pairs trade 80% of the time in a channel. So this is a sideways channel. This is a perfect opportunity. When you see trades going along like this, there are so many buying and selling opportunities in here. It's not even funny. Right here, buy, sell, buy. Now usually I'll sell early. I'll sell way before the line. Okay, like if I buy near this line, I'll sell early, because a lot of times you see this, how it never quite made it up to that point. If I sell here, I'll usually pull out profit here. Okay, and sometimes it depends. If I see the momentum really pushing and this pair could break through and keep going, then at times we may close like 70% of our trade at a profit target and allow the rest to run, because sometimes you can get 300-400 extra pips out of that, and that 30% of your trade balance can make you a higher return than your original piece, the original 70% that you closed in profit. So what we're going to do, I'm looking at this 5,900 as a solid support line, but right around this range here is even better opportunity to sell. So 58.78. In fact, let's go a little bit more. 58.76. If I can get this thing to stay on 76. I can't get it in there to that. Okay, so I'm going to say 75, but 76. 58.76. Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.